Well, hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver here. And yes, we finally got them put together. So I have all four brand new log trailers. This first one here is a galvanized frame. It's not aluminum, but galvanized, a hot dip. So let me get this camera flipped around and I'll show you the lineup. All right, unfortunately, I'm out here by the highway, so we'll have to see if we can time this with some cars going by or not going by. This one's just like my trailer back at the woodlot. We put the big toolbox on it. And it, like I said before, it is a hot dip galvanized. They are a CX, which designates them as a deck over dump trailer. The 716 means 7 feet wide, 16 feet long. The 16K is 16,000 pounds. The PID 19 is a 19-foot reach grapple. It reaches out 19 feet from the center of the trailer to the center of the rotator. Picks up 3,000 pounds at the half reach point. We did a little mini toolbox on this one. It's about half the size of the other one. They all come with electric start standard. There are equipment ramps underneath all four of these. They are a wooden deck over dump trailer. I'll put the bodies up here for the next shot. All right, so now we have the bodies all up in the air. Give you a little walk around here quick. Again, big 54-inch toolbox on the front of this one. Electric start power pack, the big telescopic ram in the very, very front that you're used to seeing. All of these dump trailers actually have two frames on them. There's one frame for the actual trailer itself. It's out of some big, heavy, looks to be 3x8 tube steel here. Just kind of the size. And then we do another 3-inch by 3-inch by the looks of it, tube steel frame in the actual dump body itself. The grapples are a 48-inch pass-through grapple. Will squeeze down to about 4 inches. We put the electric start battery over here on the passenger side. And get your trailer brake junction box on the right, the breakaway battery box on the left. So they are a separate system. You still get a pull start on the power packs just in case you need them. We are trying to get in the Honda motors, but because of supply chain things, we're kind of left with either the Kohler Command Pro, which you've seen on our Brute Force stuff, and then these two trailers in the middle actually have a Briggs Vanguard on them. These four trailers did come in with the equipment ramps underneath them. It's got the wooden deck, the rub rail, 4 bunk poles per side. They are movable about every 2 feet or so. The ramps clip on the back here through the little 3/4 inch bars. There's a safety pin that pulls out, and you pull the ramps straight out and throw them on. They are about, probably 7 or 8 feet in length to try to cut the approach angle with it being a deck over dump. We do have the bearing buddies on these Dexter 8,000 pound axles. So again, they are a 16,000 pound trailer, tandem 8K axles. We don't cheat anything as far as putting a 7,000 pound axle underneath it and telling you have to have so much hitch weight. We are doing a pintle ring on any trailer over 14,000 pounds. It's just tough to find a decent coupler at the 14,000 pound rating and a 2 5/16 ball. The sun's not really going to cooperate with me here for this shop, but we're going to try anyway. Well, I am AJ Shaver with Shaver Sales. If there's anything we can ever get you a quote on, please email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. You can always call me. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. And we hope these new trailers do really well. We have a bunch on order. We probably already got 20 sold. This was the first batch of 4 all coming in. So just want to get them all lined up and take a picture and do a little video for you. They're going to move and react just the same as the AM machinery trailers, but these are the new CaMex log loader deck over dump trailers. Thanks for watching.